This is Nabila Islam. I've completed my BBA from East West University and MBA from Brack University. Currently, I'm working as a coordinator at Albatross Education. I've introduced with Liakat through the internet research. I've researched in the internet about which IELTS institution I have chosen because I have found that Liakat is a very well-renowned institution that providing IELTS course for a very long time. So, and also some of my friends also suggested me that I can go to Liakat for doing this IELTS course. That would be very much helpful for me for sitting for the IELTS exam. Yes, I'm happy and satisfied with the Liakat service and everything's there. Okay, their teachers are very friendly. Their employees and those who are working over here are very satisfied. They are very helpful for providing services to the students. So whenever you ask any questions, they won't ever be sad that why are you asking questions. They will be always helping you anyhow. Okay, I have seen in the website, in some videos in the website of Liakat. So I was just, when I came here for taking the admission for the IELTS course, that day at first I talked to him and I find he's really friendly and helpful person. Okay, fine. Then I would like to recommend all of my friends and those who want to do IELTS course, they can obviously come to Liakat for their IELTS course. It will be very helpful for them. Thank you.